arrived at a place that Jay from Sometimes I Feel told me to come to. A place called Kaizen Coffee. Well, he said that it was a Australian type of cafe, and to be honest with you, I'm going to tell you my prejudice up front. Like, I'm a little bit prejudiced against Australian cafes. Why? Not because of any real reason. I've never been to Australia, but only because I'm from the American coffee scene, and we always have a battle going on.
Oils. In turn, you're getting greater body sweetness. I believe that a single-sided from an 18 gram, body-wise, is achievable of what you guys are pulling at a double,
particularly round.
Come on, boy. I want all that in the weight gram there.
15 gram in the marble.
Bullshit.
33.7. Yeah.
We're not that prejudiced, right? All right, let's go check it out. It turns out that Kaizen Coffee started in 2015 after the owner, Arnon Watthana, returned to Bangkok after working in coffee and studying hospitality management at the M&M Institute in Sydney. The original location in the Ekamai area found great success, and a few years later, they opened this location on Sukhum Vit 49. This location is much smaller than their flagship, but it maintains their modern minimalist aesthetic. The lines are nice and clean, and the shop is filled with the latest gear. The menu is filled with a variety of coffee drinks from espresso to hot chocolate to fresh juices, single origins, as well as sodas and iced tea. And since this is an Australian-style coffee joint, there has to be food. I'm actually surprised by the range of food offerings for what seems to be a pretty small cafe. But I suspect there must be a kitchen in the back because they're offering things like the full Aussie breakfast, egg plates, as well as lunchy items like fried chicken, tuna crudo, and some desserts. And for those of you Aussie cafe lovers who might be lost without avocado toast, they have you covered as well. The coffee menu does have some interesting items that I'm curious about, like the pacemaker, blonde mocha, and whatever this infinite espresso may be. However, Jay told me that the drink to have here is the Piccolo, so that's what I'm having. Hi, I would like to have coffee.
Light drink.
Oh, I was told to try the Piccolo.
Piccolo, yeah, for here.
Perfect.
Yeah. Have a seat.
I grab a spot under the big window so I can have a view of the bar. It's a nice place and I'm comfortable enough, though I don't think the hard chairs are meant for day-long sessions working on a laptop, which is a good thing. I ordered a Piccolo, also known as a Piccolo latte or what we would call a macchiato. Double shot espresso in a 3-ounce cup with foamed milk. It's a classic that demonstrates the skill of the barista because the balance between the espresso and sweet steamed milk must be perfect. If one of the two ingredients are off, total collapse. Mine is pretty with a nicely centered wrapped heart. I prefer to see darker espresso contrast with the milk, but it looks great and is a nice way to spend an afternoon break. It's hot outside and I've been running around all day, so it's nice to sit down and take a rest for a while. But once it's done, I'm up and off to the next place. The Piccolo that I got was actually really tasty. Like, I thought it was a little bit hot, and in the glass, it transfers the heat to your fingers pretty quickly. So I would normally serve like a macchiato closer to 155, 160 rather than the 175 that this is probably served at. But it was made wonderfully. Like, the espresso was well balanced with the sweetness of the milk, like just enough bitterness, not too heavy. The balance of the milk and the coffee was just beautiful, perfect. Nothing more you could ask for when you get this kind of drink. Balanced, sweet, tasty, everything executed wonderfully. Nice decor, nice setting. I mean, it's really, really, really well done. My ride's here. Time to go. But yeah, check it out. Kaizen Coffee here at Sukhumvit 49. Thank you very much. Sawadee Krap.